Hello students, we are back here to continue our studies of algebraic expressions and identiters. In the previous session, we concluded by solving the fourth sum of exercise 9.1 question 1. The question is, use a suitable identity to get each of the following products, and the fourth sum we have solved is 3a minus 1 upon 2 in one bracket and second bracket 3a minus 1 upon 2. Now we shall solve the fifth sum. What's the fifth sum? It is 1.1 m minus 0.4 in first bracket and 1.1 m plus 0.4 in the second bracket. What it is? Using suitable identity. How to solve it? Very simple thing. What identity it is matching to? A minus B, A plus B means it is matching to identity 3. So, 1.1 m minus 0.4 second bracket 1.1 m plus 0.4 is equals to 1.1 m bracket square minus 0.4 bracket square. Using identity 3. What this is? This is using identity 3. What is identity 3? A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. The next step, 1.1 m bracket square. It is, suppose if we forget the decimal point, it becomes 11. 11 square is 121. After the decimal point, how many digits are present there? 2 digits, because 1.1 into 1.1. So, it is 1.21 m square minus, if it would have been 4 instead of 0.4, it would have been 16. 4 square is 16, but it is 0.4. So, it becomes 0.16, and this is the answer of the fifth sum. What it is? The answer is 1.21 m square minus 0.16. Let us see the next sum. A square plus B square second bracket minus A square. Oh, it is by mistake I have selected the pen. We shall copy the 3 sums on a page there. We are going to solve the sixth sum. What it is? The sum is A square plus B square minus A square plus B square. It is in the second bracket. This can be written as B square plus A square and B square minus A square. So, this becomes B square square. It is looking like P. B square square minus A square square, using identity 3. I have written in shortcut ID. It is using identity 3. It is using identity 3. Proceeding further, this becomes b square square means b raised to 4 minus a square square means a raised to 4. So, this is the final answer of the sixth one. We shall solve the seventh one. What is the seventh sum? In first bracket it is 6x minus 7 and in second bracket it is 6x plus 7. So, using identity 3, a minus b into a plus b, this becomes, this expression is on the left hand side, 6x minus 7 in first bracket and 6x plus 7, it becomes a square minus b square. This is a minus b and a plus b, a is 6x and b is 7. So, the answer is becoming 36x square minus 49. Let us solve the next sum, that is the eighth one. Eighth sum minus a plus c minus a plus c, this is the sum that is given. We shall write it as minus a plus c minus a plus c is equals to c minus a, c minus a. This becomes c minus a on a whole square, that is bracket square. Then using identity 2, using identity 2, that is the second identity, this becomes, second identity is what? X minus y bracket square is equals to x square minus 2xy plus y square. Here the value of x is c and value of y is a. So, it is what? X square, that is c square minus 2ac plus a square. So, this is the answer. What is the final answer? C square minus 2ac plus a square. This is the answer of minus a plus c minus a plus c. Let us see the next sum. The ninth sum is x upon 2 plus 3y upon 4 in first bracket, and same terms with the same sign is repeated in the second bracket, x upon 2 plus 3y upon 4. We shall copy these two sums and we shall take it on the x upon 2 plus 3y upon 4, x upon 2 plus 3y upon 4 using identity 1, using identity 1. This becomes what? X upon 2 plus 3y upon 4, second bracket, x upon 2 plus 3y upon 4 is equals to x upon 2 plus 3y upon 4 bracket square, a plus b bracket square. What is the value of a? Value of a, I will write this equal to here, so that I will get sufficient space for solving. So, what it is? It is a plus b bracket square. A is x upon 2 and b is 3y upon 4. It is a square plus 2ab plus b square plus b square. This becomes x square upon 4 plus 2 into x upon 2 into 3y upon 4 plus 3y square, means it becomes 9y square, and 4 square it becomes 16. The next step, x square upon 4 as it is, plus 2 gets cancelled, one in the numerator and one in the denominator. 3xy upon 4 plus 9y square upon 16. So, this is the answer. Let us see the next sum, that is the 10th one. Okay, first we shall rub this. Proceeding to the, this much part is remaining still. Okay. So, the 10th sum is 7a minus 9b in first bracket, and second bracket the same is repeated, 7a minus 9b. So, the 10th sum, 7a minus 9b in the bracket, second one, the second expression is 7a minus 9b. Solution, 7a minus 9b into 7a minus 9b is equals to 7a minus 9b whole square. Using identity 2, x minus y bracket square. Using identity 2, this becomes what? The RHS. I will write the equal to sign this side, so that I will get solving space. X minus y bracket square is x square, that is 7a bracket square, minus 2 into 7a into 9b plus 9b bracket square. This becomes 49a square minus, this is what? 2 7s are 14, 14 9s are, how much is 14 9s are? We shall do the rough calculation here. 9 4s are 36, 9 1s are 9, and 9 plus 3 12. It is 126 a into b, ab plus 9b bracket square, it becomes 81b square. So, the final answer is 49a square minus 126ab plus 81b square. Now, the next question, Oh, we have not erased the previous one. We shall erase this. The next question, that is the second question. Use the identity x in bracket, use the identity in first bracket x plus a, in second bracket x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b x plus ab to find the following products. That is the identity 4 we have to use. It is identity 4 that we have to use. Few sums of this we shall solve. First, we shall solve the first sum. It is what? Or instead of first, I will start solving from the last one. We shall solve the seventh sum first. We shall solve the seventh sum first. What is the seventh sum? X, y, z minus 4, x, y, z minus 2. Now, as it has been told to us that use the identity, that is which one? Identity 4. So, what is the value of x here? It is x, y, z. And what is the value of a? It is minus 4. And what about the value of b? It is minus 2. Sorry, it is minus 2. So, we are writing like this. This expression is assumed it is on the left hand side. I am not writing it once again. X square means x, y, z bracket square. Or I will do one thing, I will increase one more step here so that it will be easy to understand. Here, by using the above identity, x is equals to, the value of x is x, y, z. Value of a is minus 4, value of b is minus 2. So, it is what? Equal to, or I will write it here, x, y, z minus 4 in one bracket, x, y, z minus 2 in second bracket. This becomes what? Is equals to x square, that is x, y, z bracket square plus in bracket a plus b. The value of a is minus 4, value of b is minus 2. What is value of x? X, y, z. And what about the last term? ab. It is what? Minus 4 into minus 2. Here there is a dot present, it is multiplication. A tiny dot I have given here, which means it is multiplication. Okay. Next step. This becomes x square, y square, z square. Minus 4 minus 2, it becomes minus 6 x, y, z. And what about the last term? Minus 4 into minus 2, it becomes plus 8. Minus into minus is plus and plus into plus is plus. These two became plus. Minus into minus plus, and this plus sign again into plus is plus. 4 2s are 8. So, this is the answer of the last sum, that is the seventh sum that we have solved. We shall solve it this in the reverse way. Okay. After the seventh sum, we shall solve the sixth sum. What is the sixth sum? It is 2a square plus 9, second bracket, 2a square plus 5. same statement as it was mentioned previously, using the above identity, using the above identity. Above means where it is given in the question. Using the above identity, here x is equals to 2a square, a is equals to 9, b is equals to 5. So, how to solve it? 2a square plus 9 in first bracket, again 2a square plus 5 in second bracket is equals to x square 2a square square plus in bracket a plus b, x outside, plus ab. Sorry, I am writing by mistake a here, it is 9 into 5. And here also I wrote by mistake a and b, it is actually the values of a and b I should write here. What it is the value of a 9 and what is the value of b 5, and here it is 9 into 5. This becomes 4 a raised to 4 plus 14x plus 45. It is becoming what? 45. It is 45 that I have written here. Okay. Now, I will not solve the fifth sum, I will solve the fourth sum. 4x plus 5, 4x minus 1. I will solve the fourth sum because fifth sum is normal thing. In fourth sum, a value is positive and b value is negative. I will solve that. So, fourth sum, 4x plus 5, 4x minus 1 using the above identity. Again I am mentioning the same statement, using the above identity. Here x is equals to 4x, a is equals to 5 and b is equals to minus 1. So, writing the expressions once again, 4x plus 5, 4x minus 1 is equals to x square, that is 4x bracket square, plus ab, a value is 5, b value is minus 1 into x, x value is 4x plus ab, it is 5 multiplied by minus 1, 16x square, 5 minus 1, 4, 4 4 is a 16x minus 5. In the bracket it was 5 minus 1, it became 4. It is originally plus, 5 minus 1 is plus 4 because the sign of 5 is plus. So, 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 into 4x, it becomes 16x, and 5 into minus 1, it becomes minus 5. So, it is 16x square plus 16x minus 5. Okay. Next sum is which we shall be solving. Yes, we shall solve the third sum and we shall shift to the next question. We shall study the next question. Third sum, 4x minus 5, 4x minus 1. Solution. Using the above identity, using the above given identity x is equals to 4x, a is equals to minus 5, b is equals to minus 1. Okay. 4x minus 5, 4x minus 1 is equals to a square, that is 4x square, plus a plus b, in bracket it is a plus b, that is minus 5 minus 1 into x, it is 4x, plus ab means what? Minus 5 into minus 1. 16x square minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6, minus 6 into this is plus 4x, or before that this plus sign into minus 6, it becomes minus, and this minus into plus 4x, it becomes minus 24x, and minus 5 into minus 1 is plus 5. So, the answer is 16x square minus 24x plus 5. So, we have tried to solve the second question, it was now second question. Now, let us study the third question. What is there in the third question? Find the following squares by using the identities. What they are asking? Find the following squares by using the identities. Let us see how to solve this. We shall try to solve. We shall try to solve the end questions, end sums. That is, first we shall solve the sixth sum. From question 3, sixth sum, it is 2x plus 5y bracket square. So, by using identity first, what it is? By using identity first, we are going to solve it. This is what? 2x plus 5y bracket square means x plus or a plus b bracket square. Whatever alphabet is not present here in the expression, we are using that alphabet in the identity. Now, here x and y are already present. So, we are saying what is identity 1? I will write here. Identity 1 is a plus b bracket square, and you know very well what it is. It is a square, that is 2x bracket square plus 2ab, 2x 5y plus b square, that is 5y bracket square. So, this becomes 4x square plus 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20 xy plus 25 y square, 5 square is 25, and y square. So, this is the sixth sum that we have solved. We shall do one thing, we shall try to solve the remaining sums in our next session. This session today we shall conclude here, and in the next session we shall continue with the next sums. Till that time, you people take care of yourselves and study properly. Thank you.